Alright, welcome back legends. This is part 4 of the Carburetor Sound Deadening series, and yet we're getting into the serious stuff now. First up, I had to start by ripping the interior out, front seats out, centre console out, and let me tell you, there are 0 videos on how to remove that thing, so I had to wing it. Bit of trial, bit of error, bit of swearing, but we got there in the end. Once the console was finally out, it was time to lift the carpet. After a bit of a struggle, back to the rollers we go. Got Sophie in to help the front half because misery loves company, and we smashed it out like a couple of pros, or at least like 2 people pretending to be pros with a roller. But look, as much as I thought the centre console was the one making me lose my sanity, nothing could compare to the biggest mistake of the whole series. Yep, you're going to want to stay tuned for that one in the next few videos because I got too excited and missed something that cost me more precious time. As always, guys, appreciate you being here for the ride. If you're liking this series, chuck us a like or a comment or even a follow, and I'll catch you in the next one where things might go a little more pear-shaped.